I bought some of my favorite mega cap tech stocks today, as much of the rest of the world is force feeding you fear and telling you to sell. I released a video this morning at 6:45 Eastern time detailing why today could be a buying opportunity, and I think it was. Hey, we can have more selling. I can't tell the future, but when I see my research in the short term screaming at me that the emotional herd, those cows, most people in the stock market are so incredibly fearful, eventually that fear snaps back. I want to be a buyer. I want to be greedy. When my medium and longer term research are telling me that the stock market could be higher in the next 3 to 6 months, that's when I want to be a buyer. The Jim Cramers of the world were telling you to sell. I bought today. Specifically on the S&P 500 SPX, by the time we close, I will be very, very interested to see, do we not confirm the breakdown below 6,696? That could be bullish. And do we remain above that other white line at 6,636? Both of those at the close today could be bullish. Now, I fully understand tomorrow after the bell is a complete wild card, and let's see how the emotional herd reacts to NVIDIA earnings. But I kind of think, unless they're really bad, that anything less than that could be a positive, and it could be the so-called news item that gets this market going back again. Now, it's not the news that gets the market going back again. It's when the fear maxes out and starts to come back. The news item is just what the news blames it on. Listen, I don't know if the bottom of this correction was earlier this morning or not, but I do know that when it starts to come higher, the financial news shows their rhetoric, their spin on it will start to change. They'll be very late and they'll screw everybody over that is actually paying attention and doing what the financial news shows are saying, but they're going to be late. But as the market comes back, watch for the rhetoric being force-fed down your throat to all of a sudden be, everything is great, happy, 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 buy, buy, buy. And it will be after folks like me have already bought back in at much lower prices. Natural gas rallying and looking great as of the middle of the afternoon here, still in that confirmed breakout above $4.12 a cubic foot. I continue to hold my long natural gas trade. I think it is possible that there could be a little more juice in there for a little bit more higher prices. I can't tell the future, but I'm willing to hold on to it. Yes, my short natural gas trade is a little underwater. That's fine, because in my mind, natural gas will not go up forever and then will come back down again, and I think I can make money on both sides of it. Gold as of the middle of the afternoon, negating the unconfirmed breakdown we made yesterday below $4,066 an ounce. So technically speaking, gold can come up as high as $4,224 an ounce. Let's see what happens. As far as anybody wanting to be a buyer of gold now, I'd be super careful. If you do buy gold, immediately put in a stop loss in case the trade goes against you. And then later on, if the trade goes higher and in your favor, well, then you can replace that stop loss with a trailing sell stop loss. Yeah, crude oil higher in the day, making an unconfirmed breakout as of the middle of the afternoon above $60.11 a barrel. But in my opinion, crude oil is nowhere near high enough for me to short it and nowhere near low enough for me to go long. So in my opinion, patience on the next crude oil trade. If the insight that I share with you was unlike anything else you have ever seen and it's making you a happier investor, please share this video with somebody that you know. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.